How to change currency display on Huobi. First of all, open the app on your device. From the dashboard, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on Settings at the top right corner of the menu. In the Settings page, look for the Currency option. This is where you can customize how prices, balances, and trading values are shown in the app. Tap on Currency and choose your preferred currency from the list of available options such as USD, Euro, CNY, or others. Once selected, the app will automatically update all prices and balances to reflect your chosen currency. Changing your currency display helps you better track your portfolio and makes trading more convenient according to your local currency preference. You can also switch currencies anytime based on your trading needs or travel requirement. After changing the currency display, you can continue using the Huobi app with all balances, trading values, and market prices shown in the currency that suits you best. Now you know how to change currency display on Huobi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.